You wanted a mug pizza, but you know we like to do things differently around here. And you know I'm gonna give you an actual, proper, delicious 1-minute microwave pizza. I really wanted to develop a recipe for you that was quick and amazing. You will be amazed how good this is. A big thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Okay, so I've shown you how to make quite a few delicious microwave recipes, but this one right here has to be my absolute favorite one. If there's one microwave recipe you're gonna make of mine, this has to be it. It's so good and quite frankly dangerous because it's so easy to make. This will become your go-to snack. We're gonna use my 2-ingredient dough for this. Everything will be listed in the description box below as always, along with the substitutes and along with my other microwave recipes in case you're interested. I've combined self-raising flour and milk. We're essentially making a dough, so just bring the dough together with your hands. Super easy, comes together in a pinch. I wanted to give you an actual pizza. I feel that's the challenge right there. This is not a mug pizza, this is a pizza. You will be amazed how good of a result you'll get. Roll out the dough to about 1/4 of an inch thickness. We want this to cook properly, okay? So make sure it's about 1/4 of an inch. If you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. I post new videos every week. You're gonna transfer the dough onto some parchment paper, give it a few last rolls, and we're gonna poke some holes in the dough using a fork. We're gonna par bake this in the microwave so the holes will prevent the dough from puffing up. The reason we par bake the crust is because if you were to add the cheese right now, the cheese would melt before the crust has a chance to cook. So for now, we're just gonna add a tablespoon of tomato sauce. Make sure it's seasoned. If it's not seasoned, you can add some salt, some pepper, some garlic. Highly recommend you add garlic to pizza. Just amazing. And if you haven't tried garlic on pizza, you gotta try it. So good. We're gonna pop this baby in the microwave for around 40 seconds. I'm just gonna speed up the video right here. The crust will not be fully cooked after 40 seconds because remember, it's gonna continue to cook with the toppings. This looks already so good, but of course we gotta add cheese. Unless you're my nephew, he hates cheese on pizza. Don't ask because I don't have an answer for that. Add as much cheese as you like. Keep in mind though, a little does go a long way, and some Parmesan. Trust me, you gotta add Parmigiano, okay, to pizza. It just adds that extra delicious flavor. I would not add any other toppings. Other toppings, in my opinion, just don't do well in the microwave, but if you want to experiment, go ahead and experiment. You're gonna pop this baby back in the microwave for an additional 35 to 45 seconds. I did press the remaining 20 seconds and then I did another 15 seconds. So in total, your pizza will take anywhere between 1 minute and 30 seconds to 1 minute and 50 seconds. Every microwave is different, but again, I will write everything in the description box below. And boom, there's your delicious pizza. Now the crust will not be golden, okay? It's gonna be a little pale. This was not cooked in an oven. Food in the microwave doesn't really brown, but it will be fully cooked and absolutely delicious. Before we cut into this baby, I wanna give a big thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. You can explore new skills, deepen existing passions. They have lots of classes from food, cooking, to lifestyle classes. I've taken lots of their classes, and I'm currently taking Mobile Photography Basics for Instagram Success by Tyson Wheatley. He teaches you how to take amazing pictures with just your phone, what apps to use to edit your pictures, and just how to tell a story on Instagram using your pictures. What I love about Skillshare is that it's curated specifically for learning, meaning there's no ads, and they're always launching new premium classes, so you can stay focused and follow wherever creativity takes you. And the annual subscription is less than $10 a month. And the first 1,000 people to click the link in the description box below will get a free trial of premium membership. I was so impressed with this pizza. Considering this was made in the microwave, this was amazing. It's soft, flavorful, and cheesy. If you're looking for a quick, savory snack that's simple, easy to make, and hits the spot, this is definitely it.